Namaskar. Today's episode is on hand block bed covers and some handicraft items. We do keep these kind of handicraft items and bed covers in our store, but we haven't done any episode in YouTube yet. So we've done before a few programs in the other channels, but not in YouTube. So this is our first time in YouTube. So today I'll be showing you Gharonda items. You'll be checking out our Facebook page Sanskriti Kolkata, and these will be uploaded in the album Gharonda. So just have a look at the products that I'll be showing you today. The first one that I'll be showing you is a double bed cover. These are all hand block printed and price is 1650 rupees. 1650 is the price of the bed cover, double bed with pillow cover. So this is the full length that you can see. It's a beautiful double length bed cover, and here is the two pillow cover that will come along with the bed cover. And see, these are all lovely rapid printed bed covers. Hand wash, you can wash machine also, whatever, no problem. Colors are absolutely fast. Two pillow covers come along with the bed cover. So this is the full length, very pretty rapid print in cotton, pure cotton. Now coming to product number 2. Same thing, I'll be showing you another very pretty fuchsia color. Product number 2, pretty bed pillow covers come with this too. So this is the back side of the pillow, this is the front side of the pillow. This is the pillow back, this is the front. This. So product number 2. So next coming to product number 3. I'll show you really exclusive block printed bed covers which are big sizes and also lovely to easy to maintain, looks very pretty in any room color also. See this print, it doesn't have any border and all, it's a very smart all over print. Really looks the bed much broader also. This is the pillow cover, the full length, full size pillow cover, same print all over. So this is the pillow cover. Two pillow covers come with this. The prices are all mentioned, just take the screenshot if you are interested. Very thick quality and very good quality cotton, and see the lovely prints. These are all hand wash, as I said, or machine wash, anywhere, no problem. Colors are absolutely fast and very good quality, heavy quality, pure cotton. Very nice pretty print. Product number 3. Now coming to product number 4, another same piece except for the color changes. It's a pink and maroon color combination. It's a peacock all over print. I think I just held it opposite way. The peacock would be the opposite side anyway. Now you can more or less understand how it will look. So this is a pillow cover, and the second pillow cover is this. The prices are all mentioned, 1650 for this too. Very bright print, product number 5. green and blue. Very smart. You can see the full size of the bed cover. All double bed. And here is the pillow cover. This comes with the zip. The pillow will be there with the zipper. Product number 5, 1900. This is vegetable print. This is the pillow cover. 1900 pillow cover with pillow cover. Product number 5. Very smart looking, very pretty print, and these are all traditional Rajasthani prints, and hence the look will be really very pretty. The room look will be totally different when you wear these when you put on these bed covers on your bed. Really pretty. See, you can put the pillow cover in alternate print also. So I have a nice yellow in this also. Sunflower yellow. Very pretty looking sunflower yellow color bed cover. This is one side of the pillow cover. This is the other side of the pillow cover. 1900 for this. Product number 6, episode 179. These handmade hand block items of bed covers and these showpiece items which I will be showing you. You will be able to view more of these products in our Sanskriti Kolkata's Cornfield Road branch, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, but bed covers and menswear and decorative items are available only in Cornfield Road branch. Very nice lilac color, very soothing. Very soothing piece. Rajasthani bed covers and Rajasthani block prints have always fascinated me from very young age. This is 1900 again. Their lovely gorgeous prints and their abstract, imperfect prints specially really looks very pretty, and the quality of the fabric they use for bed covers are really nice. We have our printers there where they do these kind of printing, really rich and pretty blocks in rapid prints. It's a very old age print, but extensively used in printing of dress materials, bed covers, pillow covers, curtains, lovely pieces. This is a very pretty nice color combination. Now another light fudge color for those who want a lighter shade. Very smart print. All hand block. So both side pillow cover, one is this print, just the opposite print, the other one is the same print as in the center. 1900 with two full size pillow cover. Please do like, share and subscribe. We can courier this abroad also. We ship worldwide, and cash on delivery only in Kolkata, outside Kolkata via courier. See the block printing, the color, the combination, the print, the florals, very pretty, lovely blocks. Now Mughal printing, in Rapid. These are all lovely color combinations and very pretty Firoza color. This is product number 9, 2200. Product number 9, 2200. These are all original hand block and it's a king size bed with these blouse piece, sorry, pillow cover. With this pillow cover, see, I'm getting confused with dupattas and blouses. So this is the pillow cover with this. This is 2200. What a beautiful print. Gorgeous, lovely block printing. Number 10. Similar one. Fudge color with pink color combination. This is the back side of the pillow, okay, and this is the front side of the pillow cover. The front side will have the border. Very nice colors, very nice color, and closely you see the printing. Now some very pretty Mughal prints. This is very famous print in Rajasthan and these are all vegetable prints. Very pretty color combination. These are all kalamkari traditional colors that is used, and these kind of bark prints are very famous in Rajasthan, and it looks very pretty as bed covers, even suit pieces, lovely pieces, dress materials. See this is the pillow cover. Two pillow covers. These are without zip, only the higher range ones were with zip. The prices are all mentioned. Just take the screenshot of the product. All double size bed covers, all double size, standard bed covers, double bed. Number 12. That was maroonish, this is rustish. Number 12, 2000. Two pillow covers. Very smart these looks when you put it on your bed. As bed covers, these are really rich and gorgeous. Traditional, changes the whole look of the room. And see the print closely. This is the patchwork bed cover, double, black and white. The patchwork bed cover, black and white, looks very, very pretty. Here is the pillow cover with this patchwork pillow cover, applique. This is a patchwork. This is a patchwork with, customized block printing done on it. This is with the zip. Pillow cover comes with the zip. This is the back side of the pillow cover. This is the front side of the pillow cover. So you get 2 pillow covers with each bed cover. Product number 13. Close up, you can just check out the close up of the prints also. Similar one with a little bit of difference in the patchwork. The center one in the previous one was yellow and this is in red. This is the pillow cover. See, a very pretty looking bed cover with, block printing, black and white with patchwork. Beautiful piece. These are all appliques. For my room, I extensively use these kind of bed covers and it really stands out. Very pretty ones, just see. And main the finish, this is the back part, no problem in stitching and all, everything, very good finish. Indigo blocks, full king size bed, price 2300. Full king size, you can understand, the huge size, those who have lavish huge beds for them, for those you can use these kind of very pretty indigo hand block vegetable dye block printed bed covers. See the color combination. This is the back side of the pillow cover and this is the front side of the pillow cover. So this is the first time I am doing a bed cover video, so I don't know how much I've been able to do the presentation of this video, but I'm trying my best to show how much, as much as possible. The size is a king size 108 by 190 and the pillow cover is also a full size according to a king size bed. The print, as you can see closely, I'll show you the print once again. Just check out the print of the very, very ethnic bed cover. And the fabric, it's very good quality. As I said, colors are absolutely fast and no problem at all. This is 2300, product number 15. I have another very pretty print in this similar block. The block changes, I mean the concept. Again another indigo, peacock, the Rajasthani peacock print. This is the back side of the pillow. This is the front side of the pillow. Pillow cover, you can check out the pillow covers, and this is the print. Number 17, vegetable prints again in very earthy tones. Very uncommon color combination. and very intricate print. See this block, very interesting block this is. This is the pillow cover, one side, this is the other side, pillow cover. You can take the close up of the pillow cover part. Yeah. See the print. So many lines of border and then this block printing done. Just I'll show you closely. It's very smart print, very uncommon print, and even the color. $16.50. Pillow cover, the back side, the front side, both ways actually, back and front. I mean to say that both side is printed. This is the both printed pillow cover, and see the color combination, lemon and firoza. Close up of the print. Number 19. See, another very pretty color of the lemon and firoza that I showed you. $16.50 for this. Just take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp to any one of the number. In fact, for this, it's better to WhatsApp in 7603042696. That's the Cornfield Road branch number. So, this is the pillow cover. We'll courier it to you. Even abroad, if you want, it can be couriered. All washable. Don't worry at all about the color. All 100% color guaranteed. Very nice color combination and a very uncommon print also. Pillow cover. Okay, in this print I got very nice color because this is it. It's a very favorite print. And this is also new print also. I mean, this color chart is very favorite among my customers, and this is a new print that I've done in the same color chart. $16.50 for this too. These are all bed covers, not bed sheets. This is all bed covers. This combination is also very pretty color combination. Pink and yellow, lemon and pink. Here is the striped pillow cover and the front. This is the pillow cover Yeah. So this is the whole get-up of the set. With any, I mean, light color room, you know, these look so nice. Colorful bed covers. This is another Aztec print that I showed you initially, na? So this is, I've got another color in this. All hand block prints. Yeah. Since these are totally hand block and these are abstract prints, don't expect the color to be exactly on this. These are all imperfect, perfect prints, you can say. So the hand blocks, nothing will be even. There will be little spots here and there, but these are very natural. Don't worry about the color. Colors are absolutely fast. This is the close-up of the print. Now I'll show you something really interesting. This is premium quality jute cotton bed cover. First of all, I'll show you the texture. Closely see the texture, this the feel. This is the back side. Here is a mull piping done. It's totally jute cotton, natural fabric, pure, and all Mughal printing done. The Rajasthani forts have these kind of lovely paintings done on their walls, on their marbles, and I'm it's one of my second home, you can say, and I love their blocks and everything. So this is one of those inspired by those Mughal prints done on very different fabric, natural fabric. This is the full king size bed cover, absolutely stunning. It comes in a bag, plastic bag it comes, and here is the pillow cover, 5,990 rupees, product number 235990. This is the finish of the pillow cover. This is the pillow cover. Here. This is a very pretty art. Very pretty. Just check out the whole print closely. Just focus on the print of this, the fabric. It's a beautiful artistic product. Just you have to put it in this bag. Now here is some dohars, rajai, a pair of two pure cotton, mull cotton rajais, single two-piece, front print, the back print, both side usable. This is the front print, Mughal printing, pure cotton, machine wash. You can wash in the machine also, no problem. Pure cotton, product number 24, single two-piece, two side. Yeah, see, this is the other side. So you can see the difference in the printing, little bit of difference in the printing, but this is, you'll get a pair. It's a pair. The price is, I think, 20 price to 2500 for a pair. The blue I showed you. I have a nice pink color also. Even during for AC rooms and all, where you need to, light for light winters or for AC room, these are very comforters, very comfortable, very comfortable. And see the print, this is in pink. It will come single two-piece, 2500 for a pair of comforter or rajais you can call, and it's very comfortable because it's pure cotton. Throughout the year I use this. My son, we love using these rajais throughout the year. This is the very nice uncommon color combination. See this print, wow. Again another king size, product number 26. These are not the regular prints that you see. These are all custom made. So this is the pillow cover. This is the back side of the pillow cover. So you can understand. Yeah. See the print. Number 27. Sober. Two pillow covers. This. Full size bed covers. See the print. Number 28. More collection you can check out in our Cornfield Road branch. Those are also available. More prints and more color options, more designs. So please visit the store. See, this is the pillow cover for one. The other one is this. Nice color, isn't it? All block printing, very uncommon. So now I'll start with some handicraft item, decorative item. This is a two-piece set of two, crude, just abstractly done. This is a smaller one and this is a bigger one. It's a set, metal. You can put flowers decoration, you can put fruits here, you can put floating candles here also. These look really nice with water and flowers and floating candles. It's the pair of this is 2000 rupees for a pair. But the problem is I can ship this domestically, but internationally I won't be able to ship metals at the moment. This is a set of 3 handmade trays, one size. It's a silver base. It has a silver filigree sheet here. This is the medium size, the second size, and this is the third size. 3,900 for a set of 3. It's a wooden 3-piece set tray. 1, 2, 3, ideal for gifting also. Very pretty piece. These kind of trays also available, set of 3, 3,900. That was in silver. Now the same set comes in gold sheet also. See the finish, totally wooden. $3,800 for the gold one. The silver is 3,900 and the gold one is 3,800. Now I have this very pretty wooden engraved tray with 2 containers, small containers, where you can give, masalas or nuts, nut holder, anything, you can keep, store it, put it on your dresser and keep, bindis and clips and all, or rings and all. Very pretty nice set. 2,200 for the whole set, 2,200 for the whole set. 2,200 for the set. This is setting. It's beautiful piece, well polished. And the last one, I have a very pretty candle holder. This is a silver setting, silver filigree work, very pretty, with the beautiful setting. It's from here, when it's in a dark room, when you put on the candle, the light stand out. It looks very pretty. It has a stand, it has a base there, and this looks so pretty, when it just lights up. Very pretty, unusual piece. It's of heavy metal, and one piece is 2,200 rupees. A very different ethnic premium piece. It has a base, so put it anywhere, the center table, side table, just put it, put a candle, and then it really looks nice in a darker room, in front of any plant or any puja place or all. You can just put it, those who have a collection of Ganeshas and all, just put it side there. It really looks nice. So hope you like the collection of my bed covers. And like I was saying, these are rapid prints extensively used in suits and dupattas also. So one of the rapid print dress that I am wearing, it's a 2-layer dress with gota lace, angrakha style. The white part that I am wearing, the inner, it has embroidery, handwork. It can be worn separately. It is sleeveless white color. On top of that, you have to wear this whole kurta. So this is the flared full kurta in rapid print. A very smart flowy rapid print set, 2-piece set, 3,800. Sizes available 40, 42, 44 and 46. So 4 sizes are available in this rapid print. And the ring that I am wearing, it's 1,350, 1,350 rupees for the ring. So in case you want these kind of rapid print sets, so you can inquire the store for more.